Hello traders, you are welcome to this video on how to use MetaTrader 4 for beginners. Okay, so if you have ever opened MT4 and felt lost with all the buttons, the charts and the menus, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, navigate it, and start using it confidently. All right, so let us just begin with the basics. What exactly is MetaTrader 4? Well, MetaTrader 4, or MT4 for short, is one of the most widely used trading platforms across the world. Okay, traders love it because it is free, it's powerful, and it is flexible. Okay, so you can use it to trade Forex, CFDs, you can trade indices and even commodities, right? Depending on your broker. Okay, now let us just go step by step. Okay, if you want to get the MetaTrader 4 application or setup, if you are using the desktop version, you have to log into your broker's website. Okay, because MT4 is now kind of integrated with the broker, right? So you need to download the MT4 setup from your broker's website. So it's the MT4 is now going to be kind of customized to your broker, right? For example, I'm going to show you something real quick. You can see that this is HFM MetaTrader 4, right? HFM MetaTrader 4, because it is for the HFM broker. Okay, so in a similar vein, you need to download the MT4 platform for your broker, that is assigned to your broker. Okay, now once you have downloaded it and installed it, like any regular software, the next thing will now be to open it. Of course, you have to log in. Just go to file, go to login to trade account. Okay, this must be after you have finished running the setup. So if you have an account already, you put in your login details here, you put in your login and your password and the server, ensure that everything is correct. All right, just use the details provided by your broker. This could be a demo account or a live account, depending on what you want to practice with. Okay, so now at the top, you'll see the menu, the main menu, and the toolbar. So this is where you'll find all the basic functions, such as creating new charts, changing time frames. You can see time frames here. For new chart, just go to file, new chart, you select whatever assets that you want to open. All right, if you want to add indicators, insert indicators, select from all the wide array of indicators that are available here. And of course your toolbar, for all your tools, plotting your trend lines, your Fibonacci, and every other tool that is available. Right, there are a lot of tools that you can take advantage of. Okay, now here you have your market watch. You see on the left hand side you have your market watch window. This shows you all the trading instruments available along with their live bid and ask prices. Okay, and then let me just view the navigator. Right, so here you have the navigator. Okay, the navigator window is where your accounts, your indicators, expert advisors, you can see, they are all, showing here. Scripts and all of that, they are stored here, right? Okay, so you can just easily drag and drop to the chart, whichever that you want to add to your chart. Now we have the terminal window. All right, this keeps track of your open trades, your account history and alerts. Okay, now the main area of the platform is where your charts are displayed. All right, these charts show you price movement over time, and you can customize them to your preference. You can change the chart type. You can see here you have the bar chart, you have the candlestick, and you have the line chart. All right, and then you can even uh, go to, just right click, go to properties, and you can see you can change the colors, right? The colors that you want to be displayed. These are just simple settings that you can just modify here, right? Okay, so once you have done all that, just apply the settings. All right, now here you can change the time frames. You can see the different time frames depending on the kind of trader that you are and depending on your strategy. Of course, you select the particular time frames that you want to use, okay, to analyze your chart. All right, now you can also, perhaps if you have set the colors of your candlesticks and your background and everything, you can just right click, you can go to template, you can save the template in case of next time. If you have a template saved, if you open a new chart, let me show you something. If you open a new chart, you will not have to start setting everything afresh. You can just go, that template that you have saved, you can just go load the template. All right, you just click on load and then you select the particular template. But I have already saved a template. You can see some of the templates, both the default ones that were available and the one that you saved. This my template, I'm the one that saved it, right? So if I just click on my template, you can see it's just going to automatically show me the template that I saved. Okay, so these are just some of the simple things that you need to know when you are using the MetaTrader 4 applications. All right, now let's talk about how to open a trade. In MT4, you can open a new order by clicking the new order button. You can see new order here in the toolbar, or you can just press F9 on your keyboard, right? And this window will pop up where you'll select your instrument, you set your lot size, which is the volume. You choose whether you want to buy or sell. You can also set your stop loss and your take profit levels directly from this window. So once your trade is open, it will appear in the terminal window. So this is a demo account, so I'm just going to open a random trade. All right, so now once you've opened the trade, it's going to appear here in the terminal window at the bottom of your screen. So from there, you can monitor it, you can modify it, or close it at any time. All right, you can just double tap for the modification, and then you can see type market order. So perhaps you want to set the stop loss, right, or you want to set the take profit or something like that. You can just right click on modify or delete, right? But you have to use the modify order option, right? So you select, whatever changes you want to make, right? Just make the changes and then you modify the order. And when you want to close, you can just tap on this X button and it's going to close it. It's going to close the trade immediately. Okay. So if you are a complete beginner, I strongly recommend starting with a demo account. This allows you to practice using MT4 with virtual money while getting comfortable with the platform. Okay, it's the safest way to learn without any risk. And that is the basics of how to use MetaTrader 4 for beginners. Okay, we covered how you should download and set up your MT4, navigating the interface, customizing charts, adding indicators, right? You remember the indicators, you can just go to inserts, go to indicators, or you can use your navigator here, right? You see the indicators available, you can just drag and drop, set the ensure that you have the right settings here and you click on OK and it's just going to appear. So it's very easy. Using MT4 is very, very easy. Okay, so with this knowledge, you can now explore MT4 with much more confidence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll always stay updated with future tutorials and guides that take your trading skills to the next level. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.